It's been a long time. I'm just stopping in. Check out my custom Eagles gear, and at the end, I'll show you how I made that mask and wings. All right, Philly fans. I just pressed this shirt. It's gonna be my game day shirt for next weekend or this weekend. That's the back. So yeah, I got this hat that I've been wearing. It's just a plain black hat that I throw on when I'm having a bad headache. But I forgot I got the piece for the trying to let this cool down. But I'm gonna switch out the piece because I got the piece that is for the hats too. I don't know if I can show you. I'll show you. Once this cool down, I'm about to show you. I'm about to go cut I'm about to go cut another Eagles logo so I can put on the front of this hat. I was gonna put this on the front of the hat, but this was already so hot and I was like, I'm just leave it. But now that I'm done with the shirt, I gotta do the hat. Flosser, just like the weeder, I don't know. Basically just slide it up underneath. You slide it up underneath a part that you can get under. loosen it up. I'm just going to basically peel off what I don't need. And the way I did the two-tone was I weeded out just the inside of each and then swap them. So you'll see, like, yeah. All right, so I finished weeding this one out. Those are the scraps. It's gonna have the gray outline with the green inside on this one. All right, so boom. Here is the. Now that that's cooled off enough, I'm going to get the pieces that I need for the hat, which is this piece. I don't know if it's like, oh yeah, these two. Okay, these two go together. So basically, I'm gonna press it like that on the hat. Okay, so to the power source. Okay, now that I have this, I guess I can just sit this up here. So now I'm gonna let this, I guess, sit here and get hot. The print, the cut, it almost really jacked it up. So I'm gonna put this in here. I think I'm doing it. That was really hard to get this laying on there, but it really got on there real fast. So I don't know if I have it too hot, but I had it on 350 basically, 349. Okay, let me take it off. Oh, it's buckled. Let's see what I do. It's really hot. I'm gonna let it cool. All right, so while I was waiting for that to cool off, I put the silver piece inside the green piece. I'm just gonna put this inside of a book somewhere and lay it flat until I'm ready to use it. It's ready to come off. So let's peel it from this corner. It's not ready to come off. Okay, actually it came off, but the corner where it was lifting wasn't ready. So you can see that's lifted right here. From a distance, it looks pretty good. This will be ready to go. It'll be perfect. Perfect. So this is it with the shirt. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Bam, bam. But tomorrow I'm going to fix the corner there and the corner here. But yeah, boom. Period. Go birds. Look right. Unique's old Halloween costume. About to get a makeover, honey. So it can be like an eagle's beak size on this crow. I'm gonna add feathers starting like around, I'm gonna paint this orange, gold, whatever. And I'm gonna start some feathers. And then I'm gonna find some green and white feathers. I gotta find the right color green. And so it begins. I bought these little gem stickers from Dollar General. And I am applying them to create an eagle beak instead of a raven or crow, whatever. And it's turned into an eagle. And this is what I have. I straightened out the beak part right here to make it more pointy like eagle's beak. So yeah. To match. I started already. But yeah, I'll get the other side done. Both sides are done. Okay, so as you can see, I painted my wings. But this is the head, the eagle head. I used gray at the front and then white paint. And then some metallic on the edges right there. So yeah. Got a little bit of paint on the inside, it's fine. And then I got some paint. I got this fabric paint. It's the old school Eagles color, but this is the best I can get. Then I got white, huh?
So what place do you think I should do first? Do at least one application tonight. McDonald's.
It's right there.
Oh.
Anyway, so yeah, I did old school Eagles green. I did white spray paint, and then I did some metallic, and then I left this tip black. So that's what it's looking like. It's not the current Eagles color, but it's hard to find that deep green, bluish looking color that they have here right now. All right, so I took some of this acrylic paint that I had from the first time I tried to paint some of the leaves, and I added it over top of the spray green, this fabric. This one is like the old school Eagles color. This one is like a little bit darker. Still not the same as what we currently use for our color, but it's a little bit darker. I added it like some splotches across the top of it. So I think that might look a